Today we're going to talk about an embroidered scented pouch dating to the Republican era, which is the 1900s. Before looking into more detail for this artifact, I want to discuss the different purposes that the scented pouch have been given to and the materials people have used to make them in China. In order to preserve fragrances, craftsmen had used carved gold, silver, jade, or ivory, and even agar wood to make containers. In this case, it is made of silk. The difference in materials would symbolize a person's status in society. I'll give two examples of scented pouches depiction in ancient Chinese scroll paintings. Interestingly, scented pouches have been used for a variety of purposes, like carrying blessings of prosperity and longevity, and also being a love token that lovers can express their feelings of longing to each other. In these two paintings, scented pouches are shown hanging on the dresses of these ladies, though more generally viewed as a feminine object, but actually men would use them too. Another purpose for the scented pouch is to ward off evil spirits and plagues. Based on its components and the different combinations, it is believed that such scented pouches can help solve problems like colds and coughs and chest pain and dizziness, insomnia, or even nasal congestion. It could also ward off mosquitoes. Its ability to ease coughs or chest pain was kind of like the essential oils back in the ancient Egyptian era. Then its magical effect of helping somebody out of their dizziness or just overall having a better ability to feel scents around reminded me of the vinaigrettes from the Victorian era that ladies would use, and it's sort of like very fashionable. It makes them feel that they always need them in very scary moments, like very dramatic. Now let's look back at this scented pouch. It has two sides. This side is gray and the other side's background is red. You can see the details in these fine stitches, and the vibrant color combinations really amaze me. In our next video, I'm going to discuss the Chinese traditional names for the colors applied on this embroidered pouch. Under this darker lighting, the gray turned into more of a darker blue. You can see vegetal patterns of flowers, leaves, and buds. You might have already guessed that the embroidered flower is a lattice. However, the shape of the scented pouch is a Buddha's hand, which is a variety of a citron fruit. Unfortunately, the actual fragrance particles are not present. This picture shows the inner lining of the pouch, which is printed fabric. I guess the fragrance bag would have hanged from that pointed circle in there, like a tea bag. The other side of the scented pouch looks kind of similar with the pattern, so I decided to show a video instead with some gin.